QDXX Double Girder Crane Installation Guide. Check the shipping list. Unpack and check the packing list. Mechanical parts. Install the end carriage in order. Install locating bolts first. Then install the common bolts. After tightening the bolts, install the anti-loosening bolts. Install the electrical bracket. Place the handrails according to the position. Install handrails. Install the base of the electrical control box support bracket. Install the electrical control box support bracket. Install the electrical control box. Install buffer extension. Install buffer. Install hatch. Install maintenance cage. Install double nut bolts to prevent loosening. Prepare the connecting beam for installation. Install the connecting beam in order. Install connecting shaft. Install the fixing plate. Install hook blocker bracket. Install trolley. Electrical parts. Install remote control. Install the transformer. Install the lighting. Connect the drag chain. Install the fixed end of the drag chain. Fix the drag chain. Remove the cover plate at the wire hole of the crane. Wire and thread the cables. Install the wire harness spacer inside the drag chain. Install trolley conductor bracket. Connect the conductor bracket to the fixed end. The height of the conductor bracket must be higher than the height of the bending of the drag chain. Wire, bundle, and connect the cables. Install trolley limit switch bracket. Crane limit switch brackets need to be welded according to the site conditions. Install limit switch. Finish limit switch wiring. Finish crane motor wiring. Remove the rubber ring from the vent cap before use. Note, the amount of oil injected into the reducer of each mechanism should refer to the reducer mark to quantitatively fill industrial gear oil, carry out commissioning and run the driving mechanism.